it's your girl Key, aka Kiwi. I hope y'all are doing good. I am back today with a review and a mini demo on the Tarte Clay Play Volume 3 palette. I picked the palette up about like a month ago from Sephora, so I finally decided I need to do like a tutorial, a review or something. So the palette comes in a box like this. I think this packaging for the box is super cute. It is an eyeshadow and cheek palette and it's by Tarte. It was about $23 or $24 if I'm not mistaken. I don't really remember, but I know it wasn't more than like 25 bucks. And then the palette itself looks like this. Y'all, this is so cute. Like, this packaging is to die for. OMG. When we open the palette up, we can see all of the eyeshadow and cheek shades. So I'm going to do a couple of swatches with the eyeshadow shades, and I'm going to use this blush, and I'm definitely going to use this highlight to finish my face. I had a little bit of makeup on today, so I don't really have much on. I can build on what I already have. And this mirror inside here, y'all, like this mirror is hey girl, this mirror is so cute, y'all. So this is Journey and this is Stone, and Stone definitely pops. So I'm going to go in next with Smoke and Dunes. Ooh. Oh my. So this is Dunes and this is Smoke. Alright, so I'm going to go in last with Ember and Onyx. Oh my. So I have to say that they're very soft and like in terms of texture, and I like soft shadows. Like, I don't like to have to like dig my brush into my shadow I just can't stand that. So I could already tell just by doing the swatches that they're very soft. So I kind of already have like a pretty basic nude slash neutral face going on, so I'm going to kind of keep that going. I'm going to add a little pop though, so I think I'm going to go in with Ember and Stone and just do a pretty simple little face here. And I'm going to go in with Ember in my crease. The shadow just goes on so smoothly. I really like these shadows. I'm going to put a tad bit more Ember over here in the crease like I originally said, because one of my creases is darker than the other. So for Stone, since it has a little shimmer to it, I am going to go in with my Urban Decay Minor Sin eyeshadow primer potion, and this is just going to help the shimmer pop just a tad bit, and I'm going to put just that teensy bit on my lid. And I'm not going to bring it all the way over. I'm just going to kind of stop halfway because I don't want it all over my lid. I just want Stone in the inner corners of my lid pretty much. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Stone and see. Ooh, oh my god, Stone is so pretty, y'all. This is so pretty. Wow, I think I'm gonna be in love with this palette, like seriously. This is so perfect. Like, this is so perfect, and it's such a pretty color. Y'all, this might be my summer palette for like everyday nude looks if I want just like something simple with a little shimmer, because this palette is wow. And I just can't get past the gold. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I mean, it just kind of makes it look really classy and clean, and I mean, I love it. I like this. Okay, Tarte. Y'all, like, this is so cute. It's not too much. It's like it's just right. It's perfect. This is the face so far, guys, and I have Ember and Stone on my lids, and then I just went in my cheeks with Dessert. And so now I think I'm going to highlight with Timber, and that's the shade over here. I feel like this is just gonna make me real like excited because I'm already pleased with the shadows. So alright, let's see. Let me pull my hair back. Oh my god. Yes, Tarte. Look at this, y'all. Oh my god. Look at this shimmer and this glow, bro. Bruh. So you don't even need like a whole lot. Oh my god, Timber. Oh my gosh. God. This highlight is just amazing. Look at this. Just look at how my face transformed. Just with eyeshadow and blush and highlighter from one palette. One palette. It is very hard to find a palette that can just give you everything you need. Just, well, not everything, but pretty much everything you need. Like eyeshadow, contour, cheek, highlight, all that good stuff. This palette, I would give this palette like 5 stars. Yeah, 12 stars. This is the perfect summer palette, and I cannot stress that enough. Like, I'm sure when fall and winter comes, I'll find a use for it too, but this is going to be like my summer palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review and demo that I did. I have so many more palettes and just products that I've just purchased and that I need to do like reviews on. So I have some more reviews and demos coming your way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss any of my videos. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see y'all next time.